This Chevy SS build is absolutely nuts.
Holy crap! Oh my god! Today I am with Felix and I'm super excited to be checking out his 2014 Chevy SS. So as far as the upgrades, because it obviously has a lot of those, can you go into detail of what's done to this?
Yeah, of course. So we have a reinforced LSA Supercharger on it. Stock port is not ported yet on it, but we have a 255 upper. We have a 15% lower. We have an 8 rib belt on it. And then we have fully built heads, stage 3 BTR Cam. We have a fully built bottom end block, Mealings oil pump, new chain. Everything basically has been touched on it.
Okay,
so,
nice.
Yeah, there's nothing stock on the, basically on the car anymore.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
How long have you had it for?
I had this car for about 3 years now.
Okay. Did you do most of the work on it, or did you buy it like stock?
I've done, when first car it was fully bolt-on, just exhaust, headers, and it had a flex fuel on it, so it was on E85, which I didn't use because it's NA, they don't really make a big difference.
Okay.
But besides looks-wise, it was completely stock. So,
wow.
Yeah.
Was it the plan all along to make it this big?
I bought the, funny fact, I bought the Supercharger and the supporting mods before I bought the car.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I already knew it was gonna be under the knife when I got it, so I think I drove it for maybe 3 months before I completely took it apart in my driveway.
Fair enough.
Yes.
That's awesome. So as far as specs on this with the build that it has right now, what kind of power, torque?
So right now it's around 750 to the wheel. We have some more mods that we've done to it. We haven't put on the dyno yet, so we're trying to be around the 800. With this blower, we're kind of maxed out right now with a stock port, but if I were to port it, put a little bigger fuel system, which would be for this winter, we want to make 1,000 on it, so that'd be our goal.
Nice.
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
Yeah, very fun.
And I know you bring it to the drag strip pretty often. What does it run the quarter mile?
So the best ET on it is a 10.2 at 139. I'm still on a stock stall, so that's like my main thing that's killing me right now.
Okay.
So I literally just have to foot brake it every time I get on the line. That's what's killing me, my 60 foot and stuff like that.
Wow.
But we did some mods too. Like I said, we're gonna go to the track in about maybe a week and a half, see if we can run our 9-second pass.
Really amazing.
Yeah, I'll be very happy with that.
So I see it's a pretty aggressive wheel and tire setup. What do you got there? So
we have a Bill Specialty 17x10 double B lock on it, and then we have a 17x4.5 up front skinny with Mickey Thompson up front and with a Hoosier slick in the back.
Nice.
So not DOT, you know, you can't drive on the road, but
yeah, okay.
But these are all fully billet. They're made out of a full block of billet. They cut them out with a 5-axis machine. It's pretty crazy. So,
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
So I heard it off camera. It sounds pretty insane. What do you got going on for your exhaust?
So we have a Cook's 1/7/8 headers all the way down to a straight 3-inch. No mufflers, no cats. I do have a stock mufflers because it's a little too loud, but it tames it down much. So just full 3-inch all the way back.
Wow, yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
They're raw powered.
Yeah, 100%, 100%.
What are you running for your brakes?
So I have the CTS-V brakes on it with the 6 piston in the front and 4 in the back, all stainless steel lines with the rotors and pads. It's just they come with the 14s only come with Brembos up front and then stock in the back, you know, so doing a CTS-V upgrade helps us stop it a lot, you know, stuff like that. And it's a nice upgrade to stop it.
Do you like how they feel? You recommend those ones?
It's very stiff, you know. It gets a little hot sometimes, you know, but it stops me going, you know, at the track. So that's the main thing.
That's a good thing. That's important.
That's the best thing, yeah.
Let's talk about this hood that stands out quite a bit in front here.
For getting a lot of exterior mods on Chevy SS's, it's very hard to get parts on these things, especially finding good tasteful mods, you know. So Maverick Man is a guy who makes a lot of custom spoilers, lips, a lot of parts, you know. So famous part in my opinion is the cowl hood, full carbon, double layer inside and out.
Oh yeah.
Very hard to get. They're out of stock almost every time you go look for them. It's a really nice piece. Like I said, super hard to get, but he also makes the eyelids as well, my spoiler, my taillights, a lot of parts. I have a lot of parts from him. You know, he's a great guy. So out of the whole build, if you had to pick one thing that's your favorite thing about the whole car, what would that be? Probably be the wrap right now. This is about maybe 8 months old on it now. KPMF Autumn Fire is the color on it. Yeah. They don't make it anymore, so you can't really get it, but yeah, KPMF helps us a lot with our builds here at Precision. It used to be white. If I get bored of it, I can just peel it back off. enjoy the
Nice.
white. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, if you had to pick your least favorite thing about the car, what would that be?
I don't like the transmissions on these. When you have your shifters on, it's automatic. So
Sure.
when you hit the thing, the shift it takes like a second delay. I don't really like it. So
Okay.
when I like shifting, you know, directly, you know,
Yeah.
stuff like that. So, but
Is it the stock transmission?
yeah, stock
from
trans. Yeah,
SS?
yeah. Mhm.
Okay.
So, but you know, they hold up to like 850, 800. It's like their max when they start to give out and stuff like that, you know. But
So you're almost there.
yeah, but it's been tuned since it's been basically 20,000 miles. I know the previous owners on the car, and if you have them tuned at a low mileage, they're really healthy a long time. So
Okay.
it does have the Camaro transpan, so it holds a little bit more fluid, so it helps it a little bit more.
So with the car and everything, you got into this. How much have you spent on this thing?
Well, I picked up the car for 30 before COVID, before the prices for these went crazy high. If you wanted to get a good mileage SS now, you're probably gonna be paying 40 to 50, you know, depending on which color you want. I say probably around 50,000 with everything so far around. But we still got a lot more to do to it, so it's gonna keep going more and more, you know. I would like to do a nice single turbo next, you know, once I have enough fun with this blower.
Yeah.
But that's when it's gonna get really costly. So.
Yeah, I'm sure. Well, shall we take it on a spin?
Yeah, 100%.
All right, let's go. Man, that sounds insane.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. As far as interior, it just has the AM gauge, the gauge pod. It has all the comfort features, you know, it has AC seats, heated seats, navigation.
It's comfortable.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this.
Ready? All you hear is straight blower.
Yeah, you hear the blower.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, wow.
Yeah, puts you in your seat.
Yeah.
I haven't done a 60 to 130 in a while. I did it when I was having some issues, but it was like 6 seconds. You know, 60 to 130.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Wow. And I'm sure it never gets old.
No.
It's fun every
It's
time.
miles per gallon in this car, man. That's what it is.
That's awesome. What kind of pulls are you doing? Like a 60 pull?
Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna try to get it a little lower so you can, you know, get a little longer pull because 60 to 130s are pretty quick, you know.
Yeah, it doesn't take long. My glasses are gone. Oh my goodness. That is something else. That was incredible.
Yeah.
Dang, it pulls.
It's down, man.
And it's 50 grand. That's like, I mean, you did the work yourself.
Yeah, without the work, it'd probably be like almost like a 60, you know.
But still, even if you paid someone to do it,
yeah,
like 60 to even 70 for this performance is really good.
Yeah.
Wow. want to give a huge thanks to Felix for letting me film his car. Go give him a follow on Instagram at Felix_LSA. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at MaxHP.